Hello everyone, welcome back to Shino's Kitchen. Today I'm making Daigaku Imo, Japanese candied sweet potatoes. I needed something Japanese that would fit right in at a Thanksgiving potluck dinner, and Daigaku Imo was the perfect choice. Alright, now let's cook. Ingredients are super simple. Japanese sweet potatoes, sugar, mirin, soy sauce, and water. Since this is for a potluck, I'm using 3 medium large sweet potatoes, a little bigger than my palm. First, peel them and cut into bite-sized chunks. Soak in water for about 5 minutes to remove excess starch, then drain really well. Now let's fry them. Traditionally, you deep fry with lots of oil, but I'm saving oil today, so we are using just a little. If you stir occasionally, they still fry perfectly evenly. Once the oil is hot, add the well-drained sweet potatoes. Fry until they are cooked through and the outside turns golden brown. While they are frying, let's make the syrup. The magic ratio to remember is sugar, mirin, soy sauce to be 4 to 1 to 1. Then if you want a thin syrup, add about 1 cup of water, like we are doing today. And if you want a hard candy coating, reduce the water a lot and add some malt syrup or honey instead. Important tip is, when the sugar starts melting, do not stir with a spoon. Stirring makes crystal form and ruins the gloss. Just gently swirl the pan like this so the sugar melts naturally. Once most of it melted, turn on the heat and let it simmer and thicken. And don't forget to look after the potatoes too. Keep turning the sweet potatoes time to time so they brown evenly. When they are done, drain the oil really well. The syrup will harden as it cools, so test it by dropping a little into cold water to check the consistency. When it reaches your perfect hardness, turn off the heat. Now potatoes and syrup are both ready. Toss the hot fried sweet potatoes into the syrup and mix until they are beautifully coated. Yes, it's looking good. And finally, sprinkle with black sesame seeds. And we are done. Finishing with black sesame seeds makes it look just like the one sold in stores. Most homes only have white sesame seeds probably, and that's totally fine too. If you are taking this to a potluck, wrap it in a furoshiki cloth. Make it super easy to carry and looks so cute. I brought the Daigaku Imo from this video to a potluck and everyone loved them. They even fit perfectly into our Thanksgiving dinner spread. Daigaku Imo literally means university potatoes. Rumor has it that students at Tokyo University used to love this snack, though there are a few different stories about the name. Either way, it became very popular. Even today, you can find it at any convenience store in Japan. It's a nostalgic snack. Actually, I really wanted to post this before Thanksgiving, but Editing took way longer than I expected. Posting new video is still a bit of a challenge for me, but I'm definitely going to keep going. Thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to me. See you soon. Bye.